Did you know that photographers, filmmakers, artists, and bloggers are all content creators? Welcome to day one of the 30 Days of the Creators Academy. My name is Simo David, and today we're going to start with a simple question of who is a content creator? A content creator is anyone who produces and shares online content with an audience. This content can take many forms like video, photos, blog posts, and even podcasts. Whether you're uploading your YouTube tutorials, Instagram reels, writing a blog post, or even recording a podcast, you're all part of an ever-growing communities of content creators. Content creators are more than just people making videos or taking photos. They are storytellers, influencers, educators, and entertainers. From professional filmmakers producing feature film to a teen sharing a daily vlog about their bedroom and other aspects of their lives. If you are sharing content with an audience, then you are a content creator. Now, let's break down the types of content creators we have. One, we have video creators. This can be a YouTuber, this can be a filmmaker, or this can even be a blogger. They are in charge of creating videos or even sharing their daily life in form of video format. Two, photographers and visual artists. These are Instagrammers, photographers, graphic designers, and many more. Three, podcasters. These are people who create audio content to educate or entertain people. Four, bloggers and writers. These are people who share stories on news, tips, and many more in form of writing. Number five, social media influencers. These are creators who build an audience on a platform just like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter and share tips, experiences, and other personal journeys just like what I am doing right now. Anyways, that's all for day one of the 30 Days of the Creators Academy. If this video was helpful to you, please do well to share and like this video and also drop a comment.